this is for sure my last stop. It's what I believe to be my 7th antique mall of the day, which is insane. It's almost 6 o'clock. I'm exhausted. I'm still like a good 3-4 hours. I haven't even looked at traffic from home. I love one of the vendors here. I'm gonna try and be really, really picky. I've only spent $215 today. I knew I was coming here. They usually have higher priced items that are kind of hard to resist. So let's go in. We don't have much time. Cherry wall pocket, that's kind of fun. 12 bucks. Ooh, too bad this doesn't have the matching one. Oh, I love this ballerina. She's pink, as is though. Maybe it's that she's missing some of her. I'm not sure why she's as is. I guess it's because of the lace trim. These are kind of neat, but $49 for the pair. Whoa, these are crazy. 50 bucks. Very neat. I really like both these creamers. 26, good grief, that's a little pricey. 65. I'm in the wrong spot, it seems like. Oh, but this memo board, how cute is that? It's busted a little, unfortunately. Cat pin cushion, 13. That's probably close to what I get for that after fees. This is kind of a fun vase. I can't ignore it. 35. That's retail for sure. Ah, this cow creamer. Love that Elsie. But $30, 20% off even. Still too close for resale. Oh man, love the orange beaded bag. I bought one kind of like this. It didn't sell, honestly, but it's only $12. Well, this definitely caught my eye. This is a rare one, $10. I am definitely gonna go ahead and pick that guy up. Not something you see every day. I wonder if you could take a little magic eraser there. Oh, and the little Lego Pixie box is only 10. I'm gonna get a key and see if they have a basket, I think, on the way around. Let's see if I can bring up any more stuff before I make the trip back and forth. Good grief, this Lori Walker doll is life-size. She goes up past my waist. This little mug is unique. Darling. Not crazy about the graphic though. I love things that say darling and cutesy stuff like that. Okay, a lot going on here too. Let me put this down. What are these guys? 15 pair. They're definitely on the newer side. Probably Taiwan, but I don't know. I want to be sure if I buy. Oh my gosh, so cute. Little cat and bowling ball. And the fuzzy ceramic dog, he's missing his family, 15. That's about retail on that. That's a neat set. I usually try to stay away from that plastic material. 12 bucks. Cheap. This is very cool. If it was older, I'd probably get it. It's 2,000 though. What's happening here? Ooh. That is not what I thought it was going to be. Here's another little sugar cat. 14, that's retail. Well, that worked out. She's gonna bring back the key. That's so convenient. Oh my gosh, this little left-in painting. Bunny rabbit. The planter version of this sells for a small fortune. Oh, I know I always bash this bisque material, but that is too cute. 12 bucks, that's about what I get after fees. Dang, they did their homework. I was about to go on a rant about this. $95, we're gonna put that right back. One of the cow creamers, Whirly, 10 bucks. That's too close to retail for me. This little drip pottery vase is neat. 12. Oh, what a goofy little thing. Flocked box. It's an almost for me. There's a lot going on back here in this corner. This is cute. Oh wow, this is neat. What is this though? Oh, it's a perfume bottle. That's why it's so heavy. Mushroom. Hors d'oeuvre. Huh. Not my favorite. Okay, I got the Lego powder box. This guy's pretty great. I've been picking up a lot of things like this. 24. Can't justify that, especially with the other ones not sold yet. Ah! Okay, step by step here. First, these little bone china mice. $12 for the pair, can't do that. That's probably around what I'd sell those for. They're not the oldest version. And I know these bloomer girls are pretty common, but I always check the prices just in case, if I can get to it. 18, that is definitely retail. Okay, but there's a lot happening here. How did I not see this first? That's how I know I'm tired. Start down here with this. Wait, what? It's a little rubber wolf. That is epic. And then this rubber ducky. This one usually sells pretty well, and it squeaks. Does it squeak? Maybe I spoke too soon. Ah! I'm having too much fun. It's only $9 though. I've had it a couple times. Rubber toys have been slow recently. All right, let's see what's happening on this shelf because this is very curious. That is neat. It's got a little jack-o'-lantern on it. What's this? Ah! Oh my God, I was not, this is way too tight. All right, so I put that back. Man, I'm like scared to touch anything. Everything's piled on top of each other. I like this mug a lot. It's definitely newer though. Oh, that's a great doll head. All right, moving on. That is 18. Okay, I was gonna say little rosary holder. I love all the religious stuff like the nun. And this pottery Mary is absolutely beautiful. This is kind of unique. Wish the design was on both sides. Either way, it's definitely priced at retail. Oh, all right, there's a lot happening here. The enamel daisies I noticed, but that's 20. Now this little Go Bell rabbit, I'm assuming. Joseph Originals, excuse me. 15 is pretty close to what I'd get for that after fees. It's these that really got my attention. They're only $10. They're Christ. I've never seen these ones before. I'm definitely gonna go ahead and pick these up. And then a little flocked redhead pixie girl, $12. That's not a bad price considering what good condition she's in. These usually sell pretty well. I'm gonna put her back though. I'm trying to find things different. It's a little bit more than I'd like to spend. That lamp is incredible. Oh, whoa. Oh my gosh, I have to see how much this is. I know it's unaffordable for me, but I need to know. $850, yep. That's a big fat no, but it's beautiful. I have found something absolutely spectacular. I've never seen this pie shaker. Now, normally I would not buy a single shaker, but I cannot pass this up. There's one of those American Bisque Frosty Banks, 45. That's about what I sold my last one for. This is the aisle in which I have a lot of problems with. I am trying not to pay too much attention because I'd like to go step by step. I only have like 25 minutes, which is not enough. They've got like multiple rooms here. This vendor is insanely cool.